Saying no is hard for many people. We want to help others, avoid conflict, and feel needed. But saying yes all the time can hurt us too. It can cause stress, burnout, and unhappiness. Learning to say no without feeling guilty is an important skill for a healthy life. First, understand that saying no is your right. You do not have to say yes to everything. Your time, energy, and feelings matter. When you say no, you are setting boundaries. Boundaries help protect your mental and physical health. Second, remember that saying no does not make you a bad person. It means you are honest about what you can handle. It means you respect yourself. When you say no, you are not rejecting the person, just their request. It's okay to prioritize yourself sometimes. Third, use polite and simple language when you say no. You can say, "Thank you for asking, but I can't do that right now." Or, "I'm sorry, but I have other commitments." You don't have to give long explanations or excuses. A clear and calm no is enough. Fourth, practice saying no. It gets easier with time. Start with small things like declining an extra task or an invitation you don't want to accept. Notice how you feel. Most people will understand and respect your decision. Fifth, avoid over-apologizing. Saying no once politely is enough. You don't have to feel guilty or explain yourself repeatedly. Your feelings are valid and you deserve to say no without fear. Finally, remember that saying no helps you say yes to things that truly matter. When you protect your time and energy, you can focus on your goals, your happiness, and your health. In summary, saying no without guilt is about knowing your limits, respecting yourself, and communicating clearly. It is an important step for a balanced and happy life. Practice it daily. Your peace of mind will improve, and your relationships will become healthier.